Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. Today I'm going to show you how to make an insect hydration station that you can put in your garden as a safe source of water for pollinating insects. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need a shallow container, some stones, rocks or pebbles, shells, marbles and some fresh water. Start by arranging your materials in your container. These will act as landing stations for the insects to safely land on and to drink from. Make sure you leave gaps in between your materials for the water to pool, like I'm doing here. Now all you need to do is simply fill your container with fresh water, so that your landing stations are partially submerged, so the insects won't get wet when landing on them. Take your hydration station and place it in a shady spot on level ground in the garden, close to any pollinator-friendly flowers and your bee hotel. Remember to replace the water daily so it stays fresh. Making a hydration station is really important when encouraging pollinating insects into your garden. Unfortunately, many insects such as bees will drown when trying to drink, so this is a safe way of ensuring they have access to clean water. Enjoy making yours this week and make sure to share any photos with REEP by tagging us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!